Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a brand new knife line from one of our top knife brands. This is the Benchmade Water Collection, and specifically the Undercurrent fixed blade knife with sheath. And the part number is 18040S. And before I continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see more knives like this in the very near future. The Benchmade Undercurrent is designed to be around water. If you're a fisherman, this is the perfect knife for you. It features a 4.32-inch sheepsfoot blade made from CPM-MagnaCut steel. It is partially serrated to make cutting ropes, line, and bait easy. It comes with a Sonar Gray molded sheath and comes with an easy release push button retention release. Please see the other details and pricing in the description below, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, as more videos on this new knife line will be coming soon. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.